Why would a young pilot calmly report something following his plane, only to vanish from the sky forever? On October 21st, 1978, a 20-year-old pilot made a routine flight over the Bass Strait in Australia. He never arrived. No wreckage, no distress signal, no body. Only a chilling radio transmission. And one haunting question remains. What really happened to Frederick Valentich? Imagine flying alone, over endless dark water, with nothing but the sound of your engine and the stars above. No passengers, no escort, no second chance, just you and the unknown. This is not a horror movie. This is a real case. And to this day, it remains one of the most disturbing mysteries in aviation history. Frederick Valentich was not famous. He wasn't wealthy. He wasn't experienced. He was a young man with a dream to become a professional pilot. Born in Australia, Frederick was known as quiet, polite, and deeply fascinated by aviation. And by something else. Unidentified flying objects. Friends later revealed he often talked about strange lights in the sky. He read books. He followed reports. But here's the question. Does interest mean obsession? Or coincidence? On the evening of October 21st, Frederick prepared for a night flight. His aircraft a Cessna 182L. His route from Moorabbin Airport to King Island, crossing the Bass Strait. Weather conditions were reported as acceptable. No storms, no emergency warnings. At 6:19 p.m., he took off. Nothing unusual, or so it seemed. The Bass Strait is not friendly. Strong winds, sudden changes in visibility, dark waters below. Even experienced pilots respect this stretch of sky. Frederick was alone. No radar contact after a certain point. And then, at approximately 7:06 p.m., he radioed Melbourne Air Traffic Control. Frederick's voice was calm at first. He reported an unidentified aircraft following him. Controllers asked standard questions. They saw nothing on radar. Then Frederick said something strange. "It's not an aircraft." Silence followed. Why would a pilot say that? What did he see that made him so certain? Frederick described the object carefully. It was long. It had 4 bright lights. It moved in a way no airplane should. It hovered, then circled his plane. Up, down, left, right, almost as if it was, observing him. At this moment, his voice began to change. Less calm, more tense. What would you feel if something unknown was flying that close to you? Then Frederick said something even more concerning. His engine was running rough. Was it mechanical failure? Was it stress? Or was something interfering? Air traffic control tried to guide him, asked for altitude, asked for position. Frederick struggled to answer, and then came the sentence that froze everyone listening. "It's hovering and it's not an aircraft." Immediately after that, a strange metallic sound filled the radio transmission. It lasted 17 seconds. No words, no screams, just noise. Then silence. Forever. Frederick Valentich was gone. No mayday, no crash signal. Radar showed nothing. It was as if the plane never existed. How does a full aircraft disappear without leaving a single trace? A massive search began. Aircraft, boats, helicopters. The Bass Strait was scanned for days. What did they find? Nothing. No debris. No fuel slick. No remains. Not even a broken wing. How is that possible? Authorities later suggested spatial disorientation, a pilot misjudging lights in the sky, possibly Venus, possibly reflections, a tragic accident into the sea. But here's the problem. No wreckage was ever found. Is that normal? Or is something missing from this explanation? Many believe Frederick encountered something unknown. That night, multiple witnesses reported strange lights over the Bass Strait. Bright, fast, silent. Could it be coincidence? Or did Frederick cross paths with something beyond human understanding? And if so, why him? Was Frederick imagining things? Was fear shaping what he saw? Or was he completely aware and truthful? Ask yourself, would a trained pilot mistake a planet for something that circles his aircraft? Would stress alone cause an experienced observer to describe precise movements? Or was he reporting exactly what he saw? More than 4 decades later, no answers, no closure. Frederick Valentich remains missing. His plane remains missing. Only his voice remains, captured forever on a radio transmission. Was it an accident, a psychological event, or an encounter we still don't understand? So now the question is yours. What do you think happened to Frederick Valentich? Was it human error or something far stranger? If you enjoy deep mysteries like this, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share your theory in the comments. Because some stories don't end, they wait.